Let's hear from one shareholder on what she expects post-Musk, post-DOGE, now that Musk is returning. Nancy Tengler is Laffer Tengler's CIO and CEO. Nancy, so what next for Tesla?
Well, I think, Kelly, quickly that, full self-driving will be with us soon. Musk announced that the cars were going to drive themselves from the factory to the buyer. He's always early, but it may happen, and I think that's an important change. Megapack, which is the energy business, is growing at 113% previous quarter, 70% last quarter, and is now being mandated when there are renewables because of what happened in Spain. It's the most profitable, fastest growing part of Tesla. And then, we've got 500,000 manufacturing jobs that are not filled. And Tesla announced they're going to have thousands of robots on the factory floor by the end of the year. So I think the company is back. I think every shareholder is glad to see it. And you can see the run up in the stock. We added to it around $240 a share in March, and it's trading around 350. So at your peril, you underestimate Elon Musk, who often teeters on the edge of a disaster and then pivots at just the right moment.
Nancy, I mean, it's commonplace, obviously, now to observe that the core actual car company that's producing cash flow is a small minority of whatever market value you can now attribute to the whole business. It's $1.1 trillion. The business is going to have like $10 billion in earnings next year. Put a huge multiple on it. It's still less than half. I guess, do you have to have a pretty strong sense of how quickly all the other things can kick in and actually start to become a business?
Well, I think this stock is a narrative stock, Mike. So, go back and look at Amazon all those years. It's up something like 180,000% since the IPO. And much of that time, the company was not earning money. Think of the car, the EV, as the iPhone is to the Apple ecosystem. I think the full self-driving aspect, I live in Phoenix, which is Waymo land, and it's commonplace to see these driverless cars toting passengers around. I think that part of the business is going to scale quickly and will probably be monetized pretty quickly. So it's all about the ecosystem, in my view, with Tesla. It's not about valuation, and it's not even necessarily about earnings growth, because they whiffed last quarter and the stock's up 50%.